and welcome to the maiden episode of the SACCO Way. And what other way to start this series other than start with Police SACCO and listen to their success stories. Police SACCO, which by the way, has just received an award for the best managed SACCO countrywide. So we are right here in the heart of the CBD in Nairobi, and we're going to be having a chat with one Hilary Ajode, who's been a member for years, since 2014. He not only has one, not two, but three restaurants right here in the CBD, all through having a relationship with the Police SACCO. So please do follow me and let's listen to his story. We are at Ajode restaurant. This is your first, second, third, or fourth?
This is our third branch.
Really?
Yes.
All right. So it's important for us to start off with. Of course, you know why we're here. We're here to talk about you being a member of Police SACCO.
Yes, I did.
And a very good member on that note. So at what point did you actually join the SACCO? At what point did you become a member?
It was in 2014, December 2014, just after graduating from the campus. Yes.
All right. So how did we move from joining Police SACCO just to gain the dividends to now it being one of the biggest supporters when it comes to your business here at Ajode restaurant?
Yes, when I was opening my second branch, I had some financial challenges because I had a vision. Because I got in a place that was, to me, it was a very good idea for the restaurant. And the rent was around 450,000. So they wanted 3 months deposit and 1 month rent. That was coming to for 50 times 4. That was almost 1.8 million. So I was like, this place is so ideal. I had that momentum, that vision, but I did not have that cash. So that is when I approached my friend. And when I sold to him the idea, he told me, it's possible. You can get maybe something. Maybe you can just try to apply if you can get something to pay this. I applied for a loan of around 1.8 million. So what helped me is I had some plot in Kisumu that was undeveloped, and it was worth around 2 million. So I used the 2 million as a collateral.
So for those people who are not members of the Police SACCO out there, what would you like to say? Because there's, and especially for those who are always in complaint that, the SACCO does not give me money, or they're not good with loans, or you understand.
Yes.
So what advice would you have for them?
Okay, I can advise at least majority, especially if you have a vision to grow, you cannot do that on your own. At least at some point, you will need some capital, especially those who are not employed. For those maybe who are in the informal sectors, they can get these loans from the commercial banks. But those people who are not employed and you don't have anything tangible, then maybe the only place that you can get help is from the SACCO.
Okay.
Because SACCO is like a family setup. You secure each other.
And what do you think makes you a good member of the SACCO?
Currently, because they've given me a loan 3 times. The first one was 1.8, and my repayment period and my repayment method, I think, is what maybe will give me another advantage. Because when you get this loan from the SACCO, it's members' money. So they also protect their members. And the only way you can have a good relationship with them is through good payment.
Lots of benefits out of the membership. One, we look at the culture of saving, which people are able to create wealth. And we have millionaires, people have saved millions through their big savings on monthly, daily, weekly basis. That is important because the SACCO gives them that opportunity of what I would call a disciplined savings, whereby you can only see your money grow. If you come in a small way, you see your money grow into 1 million, 2 million. And that is one of the basic ingredients of wealth creation that can also help the society break this vicious cycle of poverty.
By the way, Hillary has not one, not two, but 3 branches of a Georgia restaurant, all of them in the CBD.
Yes, all is. One is the first one was at Utalii House.
Yeah.
That is Utalii Lane, just next to View Park Towers. Then the second one is at Bruce House, just directly opposite City Annex.
Okay.
And this is the new one, the third one. This
Is the
our
newest one. And I must say, it's very beautiful. And again, thank you for having us and congratulations. But SACCO support doesn't end with business loans. Under their corporate social responsibility, the Kenya Police DT SACCO has gone a step further, investing in healthcare infrastructure. Here in Ruiru, Kiambu County, an old dispensary has been given a new life. Renovated and expanded into a modern level 2 health facility, the center now serves not just police families, but the wider community as well.
This is a level 2 facility. It's a public facility run and managed both by the National Police Service and the county government of Kiambu. We have got 2 major structures here at the facility. That is the old one, whereby the old one we have got services running there, which includes child welfare clinic, childhood immunization, CCC, TB clinic, HTS, and MCH. We also have a CSSD where we do our sterilization of surgical equipment at the old building. That was renovated by Police SACCO in the year 2021. And then at the same time, there is a new complex that was constructed from scratch. It started somewhere in June 2021 up to October 2021 when it was opened. The new wing consists of 10 service delivery areas, which includes the in-charge's office. We have got the waiting area, triage. We have got pharmacy and drugstore, registry. We have 3 consultation rooms. We have got 1 injection and dressing room and observation room. The SACCO also went ahead and did a power backup by installing solar panels, which assists us to maintain the cold chain system of our vaccines when we run out of electricity. And we are very appreciative for that input. The main beneficiaries of our dispensary are police officers, their families, and the majority of our clients are people from the neighborhood, members of the public.
Healthcare is a basic need, but often it comes at a high cost. Through its support of health facilities like the Ruiru dispensary, the SACCO is reducing that burden and proving that financial empowerment can go hand in hand with community wellness. The results speak for themselves.
Initially, we were having limited space to offer our services to our clients until we reached out to Kenya National Police DT SACCO to see if it can sponsor us to expand the facility. And that is when they sponsored this building, a whole building block, whereby it expanded our service delivery points to our clients. Healthcare in our country is very essential, and it is very expensive to come up with a healthcare unit. But with the input of Police SACCO, we'll be able to expand our healthcare facilities, and by doing so, we'll be able to expand our catchments in terms of clientele.
The SACCO gives one of the best return on the savings. Last year we did about 17% on dividends, and on deposit we did about 11, which is one of the best returns. So basically we are saying we value your investment, we value your money. We don't want to take it that money is for free. There's no money that is free. Money has a cost. And whatever members serve in the SACCO, we make sure there's good value for it.
And it doesn't stop there. In South Sea, Nairobi, the SACCO also invested in upgrading the Kenya Police Stadium, a space that's now buzzing with activity. From local marches to the youth programs, the facility is promoting community development and nurturing talent through sports.
The SACCO did a good job, and would just praise the directors and the national chairman, Mr. Mategwa, for coming with an initiative of having this stadium, because it has really helped the National Police Service in terms of finance. Before, all the teams of Police FC were hiring training grounds, were hiring match day stadiums, which were very expensive. But after consultation between the management of police and the Inspector General at that time, SACCO decided to do a CSR, giving back to members, building this good stadium. So this is the first phase that has been built. We have the second phase and the third phase. It has helped the community who are around here, because they always come for recreation, like jogging in the evening, in the morning. So it has improved the mental healthness of the surrounding. And as you know, the Police FC have a motto that is community policing through sports.
For many small business owners, accessing affordable credit can be a game changer. That's where SACCOs come in. Unlike traditional banks, SACCO funding is more flexible and tailored to the needs of its members. With lower interest rates and higher returns, it's no surprise that more Kenyans are turning to SACCOs to grow their businesses and secure their futures. Najua mnashangaa sana, what am I doing in a matatu, especially Anganya? Well, guess what? The Police SACCO, they actually support and disburse money to all types of businesses. And what's different about this particular one, and I'm going to allow Muturi, or Police Officer Muturi, to just talk to us in a bit, is the fact that he is actually a police officer.
My name is Griffin Muturi.
Yes.
I'm a police officer. I joined the service in the year 2006. Trained in Kiganja. Currently, I'm working in Nairobi.
Now, just tell us, how did you end up in this matatu business?
Yeah, it's a long story. We just came together as the detail 2006. We had some misfortunes in our maybe family, friends. You have lost a child. We trained together, you have lost a child. You have lost a parent. Maybe you have lost a friend also. So we were just contributing. Once we have this kind of misfortune in a friend, we contribute 500. We contributed, and then we came up with, we need to have like a kind of investment. So we just formed our own constitution, which we erected results. And we ended up having monthly contributions.
Okay.
We opened an account in Police SACCO. And that's where we are currently. Currently, we are 54 members, active members actually. Yeah, and we are doing monthly contributions.
And you're all police officers?
All of us. We have different categories of ranks.
Okay.
We have superintendent of police from that category. We have several chief inspectors. We have several sergeants. And then the lowest all of the ranked constables are also there. So we just mingle with the different categories of ranks.
Okay. All right. So now, yes, you were running an investment group, and mukaamua tu mkwe na matatu. Nganya, historia ya mati ilianzia wapi?
Historia ya matatu, once we joined Police SACCO, walikuwa wanauza gari moja yao. A Nissan matatu, they were just wanataka kuiuza, and then we had some good money in our account. So we turned the bidder, and we won the bidder. It was a 14-seater matatu. Tukakimbia nayo from Nairobi to Kakamega, Bungoma, Kakamega. For almost 2 years, we had good money with the same account. we tended to have like matatu in Nairobi, they are doing well. Kila mtu anatoka jioni na atatoka asubuhi na jioni atarudi kwa nyumba. So we came at officials to inform the members that we need to have matatu business within Nairobi now.
Okay.
So they gave us an okay. We interacted our Police SACCO. We came with the first pass. Trailblazer, actually that's the name, Trailblazer. With the Woodman, and it's doing well.
It's doing well.
Yeah.
So how many matatus do you have thus far?
Currently, we have 2 matatus.
2.
Yeah.
And what other businesses are you into via the Police SACCO?
We also have some products in Nakuru and Police SACCO. Police SACCO, once you need something, they're there for you. If you need the loan, then actually later on you can apply a loan and you will save it within a few minutes.
As Police SACCO, we value what we are doing, and within some of our culture is to make sure the members' money is very safe, and we have put in place policies that guide us on how best, even internal controls that will help us to be able to make sure members' money is very safe. And what we are doing is to make sure that members would feel that their money in their SACCO is as safe as their money in anywhere else. Like somebody would say, as safe as it in a bank. So that's basically what we are doing, just to make sure everything is in good place, is well accounted for. That's why every year, as required by law, we do professional audits to provide that assurance. And currently, we are using the top 4 audit firms, which do quality work and give us that clean bill of health, that members' funds are safe and that they should be able to build that confidence.
But what makes the SACCO institution as a financial institution better than the banking institution?
With the Police DT SACCO, is the cheapest when it comes to loans.
Okay.
Yeah, their rate is the best. And then you can do and top up anytime that you wish. Yeah. You can, they have several loan platforms. We have SSA loan. That's a business loan like this one. You just have some good money and then you just apply for a loan. You continue your business.
All right.
Yeah.
And have they been able to even assist you personally?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Can I give something?
Oh, sure.
This is a gift from Police SACCO.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
SACCO iko imara always.
SACCO iko imara always.
It's bigger even than some of the banks we have here. So we are not a backstreet organization. We actually a financial organization like any other. And we are in the market, in the financial sector market. We are giving all solutions. Whatever you can get in any bank, you will get in Police SACCO. You want a salary account, you want a savings account, you want a checking account, you want an investment account, you want a fixed deposit account. And we also have built technologies that enables members to access their money across the globe. The biggest challenge the sector is facing is in the area of technology. And here we are talking about the appropriate technology. Of course, outside there we have various technology solutions that we want to adopt to be able to provide efficiency, convenience, and service to members. But we find that challenge is still there. Outside there, we really don't have that solution that is tailored towards SACCO management. Most of the solutions we adopt are banks. They're called the core banking, which are meant for banks. So trying to tune them to what SACCO activity will be, it's proved a challenge in terms of even how loans will be processed, the 3 times, the 4 times, the 5 times, the attachment of guarantors. It's been a challenge. And then again, around that, you'll find cyber. Cyber is also one of the biggest threats, which is global. And I know these days people will rarely break into a bank to steal physical cash. It's very risky, it's very expensive. So people have gone tech. So that becomes a challenge to us as SACCOs. And we have put a mechanism in place in terms of securing our systems, in having internal mechanisms to be able to make sure that whatever data we have is well secured. So we are trying our best, trying to put in those investments, putting in systems to make sure we are safe.
I think that's where we will try and wrap it up on this particular interview, Muturi, or rather Police Officer Muturi. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence and allowing us to be inside the trailblazers. So I think the SACCO stories right here, it actually continues.